Feed Elmo. Here, give him his chicken. Here, Caleb.
No.
Yeah, give him his chicken and say yum yum.
No.
Here, put him in his chair. Feed Elmo. Say yum yum yum. Good. Say here's your chicken, Elmo. Give him his chicken. Here, give him his chicken. Oh, is that light too bright? Oh, it is. Give me his chicken. And say yum yum. Good boy. Good. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy.